Do you want to learn how to split screen in Vegas Pro? In today's video, I will be giving you some guidelines on how to do that. If you are new in this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so that you won't miss anything. You can split your screen into multiple screens, either 2, either 3, or either 4. In this first step, I will be showing you how to do split screen using 2 videos. First, you have to place your videos like this. One should be at the top and one slightly at the bottom. Go to the event pan crop window of the first video. Make sure you add this value times 2, that is 1920 times 2 is going to give you 3840. Just select it and dial 3840 onto your keyboard and hit enter. You see that the value now is at the center of your screen, that is your preview window. To bring it to the left, you now need to set the X center values to 1920 like this. Hit enter. On your preview window, you can now find that the video has moved to the left and at the center. Go to the next video that is beneath the first video. Go to the event pan crop window, select the width and set this value to 3840 as the first case. Hit on enter. Go to the X center and set this value to 0 so that it moves to the right. Go to enter. Make sure before you proceed, go to the source and set this value to yes, because if this value is not set to yes, stretch to fill frame. If it is no, it won't give us the effect we want, so set it to yes. That is how I split my screen in Vegas Pro using 2 videos. If we want to split the screen into multiple videos, we will need to add another video beneath like this one and another one this way. Go to the event pan crop window of the first video and reposition it. Click on it once and make sure this value is set to up and down, that is, it can only move up or down. Use your arrow keys, your down arrow key, drag it up until it touches the top, until this line touches your subject. That is it. Go to the second video, do the same. I will split this process. That is it. Okay, go to the third video, set the value to 3840 as before. Hit on OK. Set the X center to 1920. Hit on OK. You can resize it now down by using the up arrow key to make it move downward. That is it. Okay, now you will do the same for the third video by going to the event pan crop window. I will speed up the process. We now have 4 videos on our screen. We can add some effects to make it look more professional by putting maybe colors to separate these videos. To do that, right click here and insert another video track. Right click again and insert the second one. Go to media generator, select solid color, pick any color of your choice. I will go in for, let's say, blue color. Drop it here, stretch it to fill this area. Go to the event pan crop window, select mask, select the rectangle or square mask creation tool. Draw it from top to bottom like this. That will depend on the amount, on the size you want. I'll go in for this value. Okay, you will need to center it so that it falls exactly at the center to separate both four videos. To do that with quick effect, you then divide 1920 by 2 because the frame rate, the resolution of your screen is 1920, that is the X horizon, 1920, Y, the Y is 1080. So dividing 1920 by 2 is going to give you 960. Now you will come to the X position here, select it and input the value 960. Hit on enter. The shape has been centered on our screen. You can also add another one to separate your screen from left to right. Select another color or the same color, put it this way, open the event pan crop window, go to mask, select mask, pick the rectangle tool, draw it this way from left to right. Make the size of the shape to look like the first one. We now need to divide the Y position by 2, that is 1080 divided by 2 is going to give us 540. Select the Y and input the value 540 and hit on OK. So that is also the same thing as we did. It's going to center everything and divide the videos to give us that professional look. But if you don't want to use this method to add these shapes to separate the videos, you will need to go a long way to create this effect. To do that, I will show you just an example. Let me unmute these shapes. You open the event pan crop window of the first video. You need to add the X center value of this first video. Let me add it. I will add about an increase of 5, that is 25, 19, 1925. I'll also go to the second video. Remember, the second video is the one at the right. I'll also open the event pan crop window and I'll insert decrease the X center by 5 so that the gap should be uniform, like this, -5, that way I increase but +5. But if you can see, if you are zooming, you see that there is a gap now in between these two videos. So you will do the same for the other second videos, and at the end what you will do is to add a solid color beneath the entire video. Add a solid color here and then stretch it. You can now see that the solid color has been added to your entire screen. You can do this effect in all Vegas versions. That is the package I put for you today on how to split screen into multiple sections. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, don't forget to share, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next tutorial.